It has an advanced heart, the chipset from MediaTek, and this best ever repeater is equipped with power amplifiers. It greatly increases the running power of the product. Meanwhile, the exquisite design is perfectly functional in heat dissipation. The power amplifier boosts all functions it contains, very high speed of 1200, unimaginable coverage of up to 300 meters outdoors, and the ability to go through the wall. Only for users to have a more stable process of network experience. Also, an intelligent signal indicator helps you find the best place to work with it. Simple design also makes it very harmonious to put it in any place at home as long as there is a socket.